We will get to the video soon. Do this, to support the channel, subscribe, at bottom right, of the video, while watching, it's free, this is done once. Then every video, like, while watching. After watching, share. Email marketing, is among the best, when you are doing internet marketing. I'm going to show you, how to make money, with your mail list. If you don't know, what a mail list is, it's emails, you collect, to be sending them, information about your products, or services. I have a video, about how to create one, on this channel, you can go and watch it. There are many ways, you can make money, with your mail list. Number 1, is affiliate marketing. You use it, to promote your affiliate links. You don't spam, your mail list, with your affiliate links. You put them, in your newsletter articles, free guides, or the content, you provide. 2. Sponsored content, or advertising, in your emails. With a minimum, of 2,500, email subscribers, you should be able, to do this. 3. Create a tripwire offer, for your mail list. An example is, offering a product, or service, at a lower price, than your normal price, like discount price. 4. Sell your own products, and services. This can be, consulting services, to digital products, like ebooks. 5. Create a paid newsletter. This can be, a premium version, of your free newsletter. 6. Create a paid course, and promote it, to your email subscribers. 7. Run paid webinars, and see, how many, on your mail list, will pay, to watch it. With these strategies, you now know, you can make money, with your mail list. A link, for the best email marketing service, is in the description box.